You snack to get more energy. But somehow, you feel even more tired. You eat something small, again and again. And your energy never really stabilizes. You run out of energy and feel drained. Every snack raises your blood sugar. And your body releases insulin. At first, you feel more energy. But very quickly, your energy drops again. So you reach for more food. And the cycle repeats itself. More often, less energy. The solution is simple. Eat real meals. Not constant snacks. Give your body a break between meals. That's how you keep your energy stable. And stop feeling tired all day. If you want a simple approach to health, you can stay with me.